Today, we're going to build a TIE crawler using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
To create a TIE crawler, we're going to start with this T-bar piece. And I love it because if you look at it, there's that little bump there where the 3 bars come together, and that looks like the cockpit of our TIE crawler. And then the nice thing is that we have this back end here, and if you look at the TIE crawler, it does have like a back part kind of protruding out. So this piece works perfectly. Now all we got to do is grab these little lift arms, these Tecnnic lift arms, and the front hole goes into one of the T-bars in the front. You don't want to push it all the way in. You want to leave a little bit of space because if you look at the TIE crawler, it's kind of like where the TIE wings are, is where the tank treads are attached. And then we get to both sides, and we've got a micro tank crawler using 3 Lego pieces. And I think it's very interesting that we have a tank TIE crawler when TIE fighters are known to be very delicate and explode easily.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.